Shelter in the car.
Isn't it a bomb shelter? No? What is that thing for?
Bomb shelter. It's like it's...
Oh, don't get too close because that padlock is not locked.
It is.
Okay, now I'm curious.
I'm out.
I'm curious too. She's totally going to do it. She's totally going to do it too.
You're being watched.
Wait, are we?
I don't know.
The hills have eyes,
We're not in the hills. We're not in the hills. Hurry up. People coming.
Oh, here comes the park attendant.
Put the camera there. There's nothing in there. No, not really.
Does it go anywhere?
No. It's like a little shelter where they keep stuff in there.
My hands are dirty again.
Your hands will be perpetually dirty today.
Well, they're like going and they got the rest.